The Oppo A5 Pro we've been hearing about since last month has been officially unveiled. It features a 6.7-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with 1200 nits peak brightness and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The display also has a centered punch hole for the 16MP selfie camera and a fingerprint reader underneath for biometric authentication. On the rear, you get two cameras, 50MP primary and 2MP monochrome. Under the hood, the Oppo A5 Pro has the Dimensity 7300 chip with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. The smartphone boots Android 15-based ColorOS 15, but it's unclear how many years of software support it will get. That said, the Oppo A5 Pro comes with an IP66/68/69 rating, military-grade GJB 150A 2009 certification, and 360-degree drop resistance. It also has symmetrical low-frequency antennas at both ends of the frame for better signal strength. The rest of the Oppo A5 Pro's highlights include a 6000 mAh battery, 80W charging, 5G support, stereo speakers, NFC, and wet touch mode for the screen, which can also be operated when wearing gloves. The Oppo A5 Pro comes in 4 configurations: 8GB per 256GB, 8GB per 512GB, 12GB per 256GB, and 12GB per 512GB. The base model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, $275/Euro 265/INR 23,330, and the top-end version at 2,499 Chinese yuan, $340/Euro 330/INR 29,165. While the 8GB per 512GB and 12GB per 256GB variants cost 2,199 Chinese yuan, $300/Euro 290/INR 25,665. These will be available in China starting December 27 through Oppo's Chinese website.